Drinking this tea every morning is the fastest way in the world to lower your creatinine levels. Let's taste it. Catherine from Double Kidney here. What I have for you today are the 3 best herbal teas to fight kidney disease. Because kidney health is a battle you can win if you make the right choices. They say that chronic kidney disease is a degenerative condition with very few chances of improvement for the patient. But I've been working with CKD patients for almost a decade now, and I've seen people get better. This is why I'm not in agreement with this statement. There are several remedies that are proven to work. Our number one in particular is easily the most powerful herbal tea in the world to improve kidney function. When it was tested on kidney patients, in just 4 weeks their creatinine levels dropped. And before that, our number 3. This is a tea with truly unique healing properties. It's very easy to make, yet it will help fight high blood sugar levels, protect the kidneys from high blood pressure, and help boost your immune system. And this is a recipe you can make even right now with ingredients you can easily find at the supermarket or that maybe you already have in your pantry. No hard to find herbal remedies here, just the healthiest home remedies. Let's see how to make it. Number 3, the ACV tonic tea. Oh, I told you this one was gonna be easy to make and tasty. Wow, I love it. Okay, let's see the ingredients very quickly. First of all, green tea. Well known for its antioxidant content, green tea is also thought to have properties to fight diabetes. Those who drink it regularly were found to have lower fasting blood sugar levels by a recent study. And green tea also protects your heart from bad cholesterol. But it is only our first ingredient, the base for an even healthier tea. We are actually going to prepare it with another healing ingredient, fresh ginger. Wow. Now, if you are making it just for yourself, we need 1 bag of green tea, 1 cup of water, and about 1 teaspoon of fresh minced ginger. Ginger is amazing, especially for those suffering from nausea caused by kidney problems. Always keep some ginger in your pantry. Even eating a small piece of it works. And this ingredient also has another health benefit. It may significantly lower blood sugar levels and improve heart disease risk factors. Ginger is one of the most powerful medicinal foods in the world. Now, I've already put the water to boil, but remember that you don't want to use boiling hot water to brew green tea. Green tea is a delicate tea, so using boiling hot water may just burn the leaves, leaving your green tea tasting really bitter. So we just let the water cool down a couple of minutes and then add it to our tea and ginger. Now, our main ingredient. After leaving the tea in infusion for 3 minutes, add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Oh, this is an incredibly healthy ingredient for your kidneys. While some people consider it just a bland dressing, raw ACV has been proven to significantly increase insulin response and reduce blood sugar spikes in those with diabetes. Not to mention that there are also studies showing that ACV lowers cholesterol and reduces blood pressure with great benefit for the health of your kidneys. And our tea is almost ready, and I really like some lemon with it. Now guys, this recipe calls for maple syrup. It really makes it shine. Maple syrup is actually good for you. to some extent, since it provides a decent amount of health minerals and antioxidant. Still, I don't recommend eating it on an empty stomach because it's also rich in sugar. And for the same reason, those with diabetes should prefer a sweetener such as stevia, for example. And our tea is ready! Don't underestimate the benefits of this very easy recipe. All these ingredients have proven benefits to fight nausea, diabetes, cholesterol, and to improve heart health. Drink this tea every morning, especially if you have diabetes, and your kidneys will thank you. Number 2, peppermint tea. Oh, I really love peppermint tea. And while I often drink it for its flavor, the health benefits of this tea are many. Peppermint is a powerful herbal remedy. The leaves contain many essential oils including menthol, menthone, and limonene. Menthol's strong scent is known to protect the kidneys and to help them doing their job. The essential oils these leaves contain have free radical scavenging and antioxidant activities. According to research, these properties are a great way to protect the kidneys from damage caused by inflammation. This herb also has antibacterial properties to boost your immune function. And if this wasn't enough, peppermint is also useful to improve gut health, especially in case of irritable bowel syndrome. Now, gut health is no joke. If the flora in your intestines is out of shape, the consequences may be disastrous. Yes, this delicious tea can help. Now, there are several ways to enjoy the benefits peppermint can offer. If you can find fresh peppermint leaves, just add some water and let them in infusion for 10 minutes. Boiling water is great to make the benefits stronger, but if you want a tastier tea, try hot but not boiling water. And you can also use dried peppermint leaves. They are pretty easy to find in herbal shops and even online, and they have many of the benefits of fresh leaves. And fresh peppermint leaves are also great as a kidney cleansing food. If you want to know more about foods that cleanse your kidneys naturally, this video up here is for you. Okay, it's time for our number 1 now. Drinking this herbal tea every day can significantly lower creatinine levels according to science. Kidney disease patients using a recipe similar to this had a significant improvement in kidney function in just 4 weeks. Are you ready for it? Our number 1 is the kidney restoring tea. Okay guys, this is a very powerful herbal tea. It's made with ingredients specifically handpicked for their benefits for the kidneys and urinary tract. While the teas we have seen till now are easy to make and are usually consumed both for health benefits and taste, this one is a 100% genuine kidney healing tea. A tea that requires a special preparation that needs to be followed accurately. This preparation is what holistic doctors call a decoction. It's a special way of making this herbal tea that will ensure that the ingredients will give you 100% of their potential. All the ingredients for this tea need to soak in water for 2 to 4 hours before making the tea. Now they're ready to boil. When it boils, reduce heat and let simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Strain, allow the tea to cool, and drink it. And to save time, you can also prepare all the herbs beforehand and store them already mixed in an airtight glass container. Then each day, you will just need to put 2 tablespoons of mixed herbs in water and make the tea. Or you can make it for 2 days and store it ready in the fridge. Because as I was saying, a tea similar to this was used in a study and incredible results in terms of improved kidney health were observed after just 4 weeks. But you can take it for even longer periods of time to support your kidneys on the long term. Just remember to consult your doctor before starting to take an herbal tea. Yes, this tea is incredibly powerful to lower your creatinine levels. Let's see the ingredients now. Uva ursi leaves, a powerful herbal remedy. Uva ursi can reduce the inflammation in the kidneys and urinary tract. This natural anti-inflammatory also has pain-relieving properties. Stinging nettle, another potent anti-inflammatory which also boasts gentle diuretic properties. Yes, this tea can fight inflammation and pain. And this is also a very cheap ingredient. Horsetail. This is a natural diuretic and detoxifier. According to research, it may even increase the amount of urine the kidneys produces, directly helping kidney function. And it can also help fighting swelling, balancing body fluids, lowering blood pressure, and removing uremic toxins from the body. The main ingredient of this tea: astragalus. Astragalus is one of the most powerful herbal remedies on earth when it comes to improving kidney health. It was proven to be incredibly effective against the progression of kidney disease. In a study published on a prestigious paper, astragalus extract was able to significantly lower creatinine levels of stage 4 and 5 kidney disease patients. Guys, the full recipe and all the info about this tea are down in the description. Leave me a comment if you have troubles with the preparation or if you want more info about this tea. And this is our last one for today. Don't miss my next video this Sunday. It's all about one of the most powerful home remedies for kidney health. See you there. Bye!